Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Today we will study a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, apostrophe.
Children, first look at these sentences. This is Radha's skirt. Children, please remember this sign. This is Ravi's hat. This is Ramu's cat. So, children, you have seen this sign just in the above sentences. Yes, आपने अभी ये sign देखा था ना? Then tell me, children, so what is the name of this sign? What do we call? We call this sign apostrophe. What do we call? Apostrophe. The apostrophe is used to form possessive nouns. So this sign is used to make possessive nouns. Remember, children, the apostrophe shows where one or more letters have been taken out. Children, sometimes we put this apostrophe sign where we remove one or more alphabets from a group of words, or you can say from two words. So there also we put this apostrophe sign. Clear? Now, a noun that show ownership or relationship is a possessive noun. A noun which tells us or which show that someone is the owner of a particular object or thing, or show the relation or connection between two persons, then such nouns are known as possessive noun. Clear? So, a possessive noun always comes before the noun that belongs to it. It is very important, children. So, I am explaining you once again. First, we read this sentence again. A possessive noun always comes before the noun that belongs to it. So, possessive noun जो है हमेशा उन noun से पहले आते हैं जो उस two nouns, for example, two nouns are given in a sentence. So, first noun अगर दूसरे noun से relate कर रहा है तो हमेशा वो noun relation वाले noun से पहले आएगा. Clear? Let's see an example to be more clear. The cat's dishes. So, cat is also a noun, or dishes also a noun word. So, dishes is related to whom? Whose dishes? Cats. So, this noun is related to the second noun. So, it has been placed before dishes. Clear? And children, we have put apostrophe before S. Why? I'll explain you further. See, we add an apostrophe S to make a singular noun possessive. For example, cats, boys, Tom. So here it means when a particular noun is referring to only one. जब कोई भी noun हमें केवल एक के बारे में बता रहा है, एक को denote कर रहा है, then in that case, first we put apostrophe, then S. Clear? So here also, the word cat is referring to one cat. So what I have done? First apostrophe sign I have put, then S. In the same way, boy, one boy, boy means only one, singular. So here also, I have put first apostrophe, then S. Now, Tom. It is name of a boy. So it means that Tom is the name of only one person here. This is a proper noun. So what I have done? First apostrophe, then S. Let's see an example. The witch broom. So this is the broom, children. This is the broom and this is the which. So here which singular, one person. So what I have done, I have put first apostrophe, then s. So it becomes the which broom. Clear? Next, we add only an apostrophe to make a plural noun ending in s possessive. For example, boys, dogs, girls. So children, in this case, when nouns refers to more than one, जब कोई भी noun हमें more than one के बारे में denote कर रहा है, information दे रहा है, बता रहा है, in that case, and s, and that noun is ending with s, और वो noun किससे s हो रहा है? Alphabet s से. In that case, what we will do? We will put an apostrophe after s. So in this example also, boys, it means more than one. So I have put after s apostrophe. Dogs, this example is also referring more than one, and this particular word is ending with s, and it is a noun also. So I have put apostrophe after s, and here same with the girls. I hope children till here everything is clear. Okay. Let's see an example. The witch's broom. Here also you can see this is the broom, children. And here how many witches? 2 witches. It means more than one. And s is also there. Yes, witches. So this noun word is ending with s. So what I have done? I have put apostrophe after s. Clear? And one more thing. Witch's broom. Whose broom? Witch's broom. इन दोनों की ये broom है. Clear? So this broom belongs to witches. Clear, children?